Good morning. Today's pre-market news. Weakness is the word for the day, be it equity or currency. The rupee hit a live low of 58.17 intraday, falling almost 2% from its Friday close. While the Finance Ministry has ruled out any immediate steps to check the volatility in the rupee, Raghuram Rajan says the drop could be a temporary phenomenon. The slide in rupee will only further dampen the chances of a rate cut, which is so desperately needed to fuel the flagging growth in Indian economy. Meanwhile, reports say the weakening currency could hurt company promoters who raised money through FCCBs, as there are 47 companies with outstanding FCCBs worth $4.7 billion. The indices are expected to open in the red. The global cues are nothing to write about. The Dow, Standard & Poor's 500 index and Nasdaq closed marginally lower. Standard & Poor's raised the outlook for America's credit rating to stable from negative. This led to yield on the 10-year US Treasury note rising to 2.23%. Asian markets are undecided as they swing between green and red. Japan's Nikkei is down 0.13% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was trading 0.83%. South Korea's Kospi is flat. Political drama continues with BJP leader LK Advani resigning from all party posts. A group of ministers headed by Chidambaram is likely to meet to discuss revival plans for BSNL and MTNL. Reports state that Elder Pharmaceuticals has been put up for sale as it reels under huge debt and increasing competition in the pharmaceutical industry. The management may issue a denial on the same. The Securities and Exchange Board of India is set to review the rules of share buybacks, foreigners' equity investments into the Indian market, and listings of small and medium enterprises when the SEBI board meets later this month. The benchmark stock index in Greece fell more than 5% on Monday on the government's failure to privatize gas firm DEPA. Apple CEO Tim Cook in Cupertino-based company's coveted Meet Worldwide Developers Conference in San Francisco revealed the latest version of the company's mobile operating system, iOS 7. Apple stocks traded higher on the news. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling Godrej Industries June futures below Rs 296 for the target price of Rs 284 with stop loss placed at Rs 302. Derivative strategy for the day. Long Infosys June futures above Rs 2,490 for the target price of Rs 2,570 with the stop loss placed at Rs 2,450. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.